Welcome back to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to manage color profile on Windows 11 download, so you can easily adjust your display settings. And now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Color Profile in the search bar to quickly find the tool you need. Step 2. Click on Color Management from the results. This opens the window where all your monitor profiles are listed. Step 3. Go to the Devices tab and select your monitor from the drop-down list if you have multiple screens, making sure you adjust the right display. Step 4. Check Use My Settings for this device to enable changes. Otherwise, Windows won't let you modify profiles. Step 5. To add a new color profile, click Add, choose the profile you want, and click OK. This is useful for design, editing, or accurate color display. Step 6. To remove a profile, select it from the list and click Remove to get rid of outdated or unwanted profiles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.